At GameClass, we allow users to upload their own video game clips. However, for anyone that doesn't want to upload their own video game clips, doesn't have the time, or someone who wants to teach using video games but doesn't play video games, we have a tab called Templates. In Templates, we have over 3,000 video game clips that you can use for free. These clips can be used to create projects or create lessons. We have a trending tab, which is a good mix of a bunch of different video games from the past 30 years. We also have the All tab, which is going to be our newest Game Class templates that we add. We try to add new templates every single month. You can also search for any single video game at the top. If we have clips for it, our system will show you all the clips for it. We also have filters on the right-hand side, so you can filter by age. If you're looking for a specific age group, you can filter by subject, though keep in mind subject is very subjective for video games because so many video game clips could be multiple subjects. Games, again, you can scroll through a pre-made list of video games. Duration, which many users use a lot. If they want to find a shorter clip, they can just click on 30 seconds or less. And even most views, most likes. We just released a brand new AI for our templates. What this allows is you can get very specific about what you need to find, and our AI system has scanned and watched all 3,000 of the video game templates on GameClass. So it knows the perfect clip based on what you tell it you need. Keep in mind that for templates, you can hover, meaning if you move your mouse over a clip, it will actually give you a preview of the clip. So you don't need to click on it to watch it. You can actually preview clips all from the same screen by just hovering. Once you found a clip that you want to use, again, you can click on Create a Project or Create a Lesson. As soon as you do that, that lesson is going to go directly into your editor and you can start creating. You can build an entire lesson, hit save, and that lesson will now show up in your home section.